So you guys can see the Heron. There it is. That's really close up I have here. So let's look at that beautiful bird. It's gonna stretch out and pick up some worms, I think. Morning everyone, I'm at the park again. So last night I posted photos of me testing the PanaLeica 1-400 with the MC14, which I did last time. I'll link the video above. With the MC14 1.4x teleconverter, and I got hold of the another MC14. That's the interesting part, right? So what happened is I mounted it to a 16mm extension tube, the first MC14, and all these are hack jobs. Okay, you're not gonna be able to mount them without doing some hack job. So what happened is, with that 16mm mounted on the first MC14, I was able to mount on another MC14. So you have one MC14 on the extension tube, 16mm, fits nicely, the length is correct, and you have another MC14 on the other end. So technically I have two MC14 1.4 times, which equals to 2.8 times, and I mounted it on the PanaLeica 1-400mm and tested it in my room and I just took pictures of the bumblebee. So I'll show you the photos of the bumblebee, and you have a look. First one would be just the PanaLeica at 400mm, and then I would be shooting the PanaLeica with the 1.4 times, which is 1 MC14. And then the last one would be I did the 2 MC14 with the 16mm extension tube. Needless to say, it managed to get close, really close to the bumblebee. So now I'm out here at the park, hopefully to try out. Everyone's question was, can it focus to infinity? Technically, with the extension tube you can't. So we will try it out. That's the fun part. So actually I'm doing all this just for fun. I grew up with photography since I was young, and I've been hacking stuff. I never take no for answer. Sometimes I'm just too stubborn. So that's the sun coming up, and it's making my face look like sunburn. The thing is, you have to try something new. I mean, it's just fun. It's micro four thirds. You're not gonna get much leeway with the physical constraints of the system. I mean, instead of throwing away everything and getting into full frame and things like that, why not just try some fun with your gear that you have, which you already own. And I don't care about warranty, because I have never claimed anything warranty in my life. So because I always hack them and take them apart and try to figure out, can I do something better with it. I mean, since you already own it. I don't really care what people think about the warranty and things like that. In where I stay, we fix things. We open them up, we fix it, or we make it better. So that's my philosophy. So it may not be perfect, but it's just for fun. At least we're trying it out and can answer some questions, right? Okay, it's gonna be a freaking hot day. Look at the sun, which is good, cause oh, there's a butterfly there. Look at that butterfly. That beautiful butterfly. Oh, there's one heron there, and I hope he's gonna land. This is a pretty small one. I've seen bigger ones here, and he's just passing through, not landing yet. And I don't see activity from the kingfisher yet. It rained last night, so I'm not sure what's the condition this morning. I think the worms will be out because it rained. Hopefully we'll get some nice shots. I'm scouting around first before I settle down my tripod and bring out both the G9 and the PanaLeica and mount the MC14 on it. Look at that, the dragonfly. So if you're into macro, you probably want to. I brought my macro lens as well, just for fun. Going out this kind of places just for fun. Okay, okay, all the birders are here, so we'll see. My god, the garbage is getting ridiculously bad. So there's a butterfly. Look at that beautiful one. That's it. Ow, I've got close to it. Oh, they're nesting there, you can see them. So they're nesting. That's why all the cameras are there. So we shall go and get our tools up and hook it up. So there you see, this is the first MC14 with the extension, and then this will be the second MC14. So I'll stack it in. That's freaking near. Okay, so that's not it, right? That's it. So it's very, very near. I'm looking at the nest now. Still writing the buffer. And I'm shooting all this in JPEG, so you probably get better image when you're running RAW. So that was interesting. I wonder if I've got any. Oh, look at that, it's just flying out. And my shutter speed is not fast enough. This time I'm going to try handheld. Hopefully it works. It's crazy fast. Hopefully I got some sharp ones from here. Okay, handheld. I'm not sure if it's fast or not. Okay, it's crazy. I think I shot like 4,000 shots. 4,200 shots. For comparison's sake, let's do this with video, so you guys can see the live view of the birds weaving themselves. If only I can get focus. Yep, that's the first one. I need to get hold of the second one. Yep, they're always active here, so let's get this in the shots. And I will use video so you guys get to see it. So this is at 300 millimeter, 300 mm. And I'm going to turn it to 400 mm. So the famous PanaLeica focusing is there. That's 400 mm with 2 MC2. So you're getting that close. So they are there, but I'm using video. Imagine video, there's more crop there, right? So hopefully they land. And so you can focus with a PanaLeica 400 mm plus another 2 MC2s. So that's how the video looks like. If you're a video shooter, you love this setup. Yeah, he's back to the tree. Yeah. So I would say the focus range is too near when you're using video. You gotta go to 300 mm, and that's it. You can see that. This is a great setup for wildlife videography, not only photography, because video gets all the shots, so I don't worry about my aperture and my shutter speed. Right, so I have the whole bird in, and he's like freaking far there. There you have it, guys. So it works. The MC14, 2 MC14, 116mm extension tube, PanaLeica 100-400. All these are hacked. I open up the back panel of the PanaLeica 100-400, and the extension tube, I engrave a groove inside so that the middle pin of the MC14 can go in, and that's it. So now I have the best shot. I have my video shot, and it's on micro four thirds. You don't have to buy a full frame lens like everyone else behind me. So then there you have it. So do give me a thumbs up if you love this hack, and if you love all this crazy stuff. I'm just doing for fun because I love photography, and I'm not so much a video guy. So YouTube is my first time I'm doing video. So do give me a thumbs up, and do hit dislike twice if you don't like it. Twice, remember, twice, because it really helps the channel if you hit twice instead of once. So do give me a thumbs up, hit once. Okay, see you guys, have a nice day, bye.